Okay, this is a Peugeot 308 SW 1600 engine, blue. It's the blue model. Now, I've just had a right job doing the fuel filter. I've looked online and it's absolute rubbish. They're telling you to do things you don't need to do. There's a fuel filter there, look. This is on the 2016 model. It's a newer model. Leave that one there. Where's the other one gone? There's one at the back there, look. One at the back. Leave that as well. And there's also one down there. Somewhere, where's it gone there? Ah, just down there, look. And where you can see it. It's just down here. There. Leave them. You don't have to touch them. Just leave them alone. All you got to do is take that off. Pull that little pin up. Then it slides off. Pull the pin up. Push that thing down there. Then it slides off. That thing there, push them in. There's one the other side as well. Push them together, that will slide off. That one's just an electrical connector, that will slide off. Then, all you do then, when these are clear, when all these are clear, that one and that one, get yourself a mole grip, a mole spanner, not a spanner, a mole grip, put it on there and twist it anti-clockwise, and it'll come off. It's a job, it's really, really, really tight, but it will come off. It goes one full turn, and there's a little notch on the edge there. Can you see? That's to line up that little notch. And once it's undone, change the filter inside, a little chuck away filter, screw it back down again. It's a bit of a job again to get it on, but once it's on, it's on. Use that. Do it until them two little lugs there meet. Can you see? Two little lugs there. Get them till they meet in. As soon as they've met, don't push it any further because it's locked. Then just connect all the little things up again and it's done. Don't go taking it all off. There's no need to. Just take those three off. Undo that. That's all you got to do.